Hey everyone, welcome back. A short tip video for you. We're in the shop today and I'm working on the chainsaws. Getting them cleaned up for the next time I need them. I can just grab them and go. And most of you who have Stihl chainsaws probably have a case that looks like this. The problem that I've recently run into is the handles are not made to withstand the same torture that the cases are made to withstand. This one unfortunately fell off the back of the four-wheeler, took a tumble there, and when it did, the handle broke off. And all it is just a black piece of plastic that snaps in. Stihl will not sell this handle. You have to buy the whole case. To me, that's just unacceptable. So, let's fix it. Looking at the handle, it seems like there is enough material through that eyelet to put a bolt, and that's what we're gonna do. So with the handle, I just took a 1/4-inch drill bit, a bolt long enough to go through the plastic and just stick out the other side long enough to grab a hold of the plastic case. So we'll drill this out. Take our bolt, and I left just enough room so that we could get the threads to grab a hold and the bolt won't back out. Put it up just a little bit more. Yeah, that'll work. So here we have the handle with the bolt through the end. I'm going to run that all the way down. We'll snap that end in. Snap that end in. So there is a cheap solution to fixing these Stihl chainsaw cases. Unfortunately, one fell and broke, and as everything goes, the other case did the same thing. That fell off the back. You can see the dent there, and that popped off. So I changed my strapping arrangement on the four-wheeler. Now instead of using a bungee cord, I'm just using a ratchet strap to hold these onto the back. Again, going up and down the mountain is a little tough, but we're back in service.